So welcome to BIO111. When you come into the class, you'll come in on the announcements page, and you should see any current announcements. I also usually email all announcements. First thing we're going to want to do is to do the start here, go through our orientation, go over the syllabus, your calendar, important dates, course expectations, how things are going to be graded. Be sure to participate in your first discussion board and also to do the entry verification assignment so that I know you've gone over the syllabus. As you continue through the class, you will see that you have a contacts. So you have my contact, my department chair's contact, distance ed and other departments, Blackboard. So most of the people you would need to contact. If you have any questions, make sure you email me, and you can usually get a response within 24 hours. If you don't hear from me in 24 hours, please email me again. Syllabus is also here along with the lab manual, the Open Educational Resource Lab Manual you'll be using. I will usually record the class. I will do that via the virtual classroom. Also, if you are sick or can't make it to class, you can attend virtually via the virtual classroom. But the problem with that is you will miss the lab, which is usually a hands-on component. So you want to be sure to attend lab as often as you can. Or you don't want to miss class very often. So be sure not to miss class very often. But if you do have the option of attending virtually through the virtual classroom, and that link is here. All of your lecture and lab support materials will be found under the lecture lab weekly assignment. In each folder, you will find usually a summary. This can change, so you want to check back. And usually the best place to keep up with due dates is through the course calendar here, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. Under here, you will also find your possible written exam questions. These are the actual questions that will show up on the exam. So by doing these and knowing them before the exam, you will do a lot better on the exam. All of our exams will be seated. You have lecture resources here. So Chapter 1 videos, Chapter 2 videos, these are optional and don't have to be watched. The ones that you will have to watch are the instructor generated videos. And these are the videos that will take place, that will be in place of a lecture, because we will not have full lectures, because when we have lots of lab to do, we'll be doing that. Dynamic study modules and chapter homework can be found in the modified or the Mastering Biology site, and when you click on it, it'll take you to your assignments. And then labs, sometimes you will have online labs. This first week we do have an online lab doing atomic structure. And again, that is all found under the lecture lab weekly assignments. Discussion forums, and you have your introductory discussion forum, will be under here. And you need to do an initial post for 80 points. To get 100, you'll need to reply to 5 of your classmates, and any bonus points, you'll have to reply to more than 5 of your classmates. And you can get up to an additional point up to 102 for that. Again, the course calendar is our most up-to-date. Here you can see these are all the classes I teach, but your class is in blue. And if your other classes do have calendars, you will see them. But here is the best place to see what is due and when it is due. I look forward to seeing everybody, and take care. Let me know if you have any questions. You can find my email address and how to contact me under the contacts. I'm looking forward to working with everybody this semester. Take care.